Today's topic is
Central Processing Unit. Today we will talk about an internal part of the computer called the CPU or Central Processing Unit. As the name suggests, it is the brain of the computer. It does all the calculations and executes the instructions to run the program, such as your web browser or your favorite game. CPUs perform billions of calculations per second. That's crazy fast. All the arithmetic and logical operations take place within the CPU. The CPU chip is found on the motherboard in the processor socket. You might see an Intel Inside sticker on your computer. That actually tells you which processor or CPU the computer has. Let's look at the internal structure of a CPU. It is basically made up of billions of transistors packed in a single processor. The transistor is made of silicon, which is a semiconductor. The transistor is the basic building block and works like a teeny tiny switch that can only do two things: turn on or off. Because a CPU is basically only many tiny switches, it can only understand binary code, zeros and ones, off and on.
Fun fact of the day.
On Microsoft Office, whether you're using Word or Excel or PowerPoint, if you want help on something, you can press F1 or function 1 and then you can search for your key term and voila! It will tell you about the term you're searching for.